Welcome to our final micro lecture this week, where we will explore the intersection of governance and technology, with a particular focus on blockchain's role in enhancing transparency. Blockchain technology is often associated with cryptocurrencies, but its impact goes far beyond financial transactions. In recent years, businesses have started to explore how blockchain can transform corporate governance by promoting transparency and accountability. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. What makes blockchain so valuable for governance is its ability to create a tamper-proof record of activities. Once data is recorded in a blockchain, it is almost impossible to alter without consensus from the entire network. This feature provides businesses with a way to ensure that their records, whether they are financial transactions or supply chain data, remain accurate and transparent. For corporate governance, blockchain can be particularly transformative in areas like auditing and compliance. Traditionally, companies rely on internal and external audits to ensure that they are adhering to legal and regulatory requirements. However, audits are often time-consuming, and there is always a risk that information could be manipulated. Blockchain offers an alternative by automating many of these processes and providing a real-time, transparent record of all transactions and decisions made by the company. One of the most compelling uses of blockchain in governance is within supply chain transparency. In week 1, we explored how blockchain could trace products from the raw materials stage to the final consumer. This is incredibly important for businesses that want to demonstrate their commitment to sustainability and ethical sourcing. By using blockchain, companies can provide their stakeholders with verifiable proof that they are adhering to environmental and social standards throughout their supply chains. However, despite its potential, blockchain is not without its challenges in the governance space. For one, implementing blockchain technology requires significant investment in both infrastructure and skills. Moreover, the decentralized nature of blockchain can make it difficult for businesses to control and oversee their data fully. There is also a need for regulatory frameworks to catch up with the rapid development of blockchain technology. Without clear legal guidelines, businesses may face difficulties in ensuring that their blockchain solutions meet all governance requirements. In summary, blockchain presents an exciting opportunity for improving corporate governance by increasing transparency, reducing fraud, and automating compliance. However, companies must carefully consider both the benefits and challenges of implementing blockchain systems. As you think about the role of technology in governance, reflect on how businesses can balance innovation with the practical realities of governance structures.